Okay, so in this lesson we are going to determine, well, let's do it like this. We're going to determine the slope of a given line given 2 points or solutions using the conventional formula. So we're going to find slope, find the constant rate of change using the formula. So before we do that, let's learn what the formula is. So our formula, we use m, you'll get used to it. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So let's go ahead and look at this first one. Let's label these. So this is an x and this is a y. We know that. We know that this is an x and this is a y. Now, usually this is like, we just say that's x1, that's y1, because it's the first point. And then I'll just leave that little part out. And then we say that this is the second point. So x2, y2. Will that look okay? Oh, that looks fine. No, leave it like that. Yeah, that's what I'll do. So we're going to take this y2, which is 3. And we are going to subtract the other y, which is 2. And then we're putting that over 4 minus 0. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 0 is 4. We can't reduce. This is it. And then just put the decimal form. Easy enough, but I'm going to have you do it the other way because it really doesn't matter that this is our first point and this is our second point. So let's kind of do it in reverse. So instead of 3 minus 2, let's do 2 minus 3. And instead of 4 minus 0, we'll do 0 minus 4. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. A negative over a negative is a positive. And once again, that is 0.25 or 0.25 hundredths. Easy enough. Let's do it with a negative. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So 3 minus 6. Okay. 5 minus negative 4. So we would do 5 minus, and then parentheses, negative 4. Make sure you do that. If you don't do that, it's going to be wrong. You need 5 minus, and then parentheses, a negative 4. So let's rewrite this. So that's 3 minus 6. If you take away a negative, you're actually adding. So we're going to scribble both negatives and we're going to add 5 plus 4. 3 minus 6 is negative 3. 5 plus 4 is 9. A negative over a positive is a negative. I'll do it like this. And then I can divide this top and bottom number, the numerator and denominator, by 3. So I get negative 1/3, which is negative 0.33 repeating. To show it's repeating, we put the bar over it. All right, let's try it the other direction. So instead of 3 minus 6, we're going to do 6 minus 3. And instead of 5 minus negative 4, we would do negative 4 minus 5. So I don't need to change anything. it looks fine to me. So 6 minus 3 is positive 3. Negative 4 minus 5 is negative 9. A positive over a negative is a negative. And we end up in the same situation. So let's divide the numerator, or simplify by dividing the numerator and denominator by 3. Negative 1/3, which is negative 0.33 repeating. Cool. Now we have this table here. So you can use any of these. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I'm going to try to choose my nice ones here. So I'm going to choose -8, like my non-decimal ones. And you can use the decimal ones if you want. Just make sure you'll probably need a calculator. Like, given where y'all are at, it doesn't matter. You can use a calculator, basically. And then we'll choose this one. You can choose any. You'll get the same answer no matter which ones you choose. You'll get the same answer no matter which ones you choose. I'm just choosing the nice integer ones. So I'm going to say that this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 minus y1, negative 10 minus 5 over 12 minus negative 8. Okay, I have this weird thing again. When I take away a negative, I'm going to add. So I get negative 10 minus 5 over 12 plus 8. Negative 10, well, I'll do it up here. I might run out of space later. Negative 10 minus 5 is negative 15. And 12 plus 8 is 20. A negative over a positive is a negative. I can divide each of these numbers by 5. And I get negative 3 over 4, which is negative 0.75. Cool. Now let's do it in reverse direction, reverse order. So instead of negative 10 minus 5, we'll do 5 minus negative 10, 5 minus negative 10, negative 8 minus 12. I can make that a little nicer. So negative 8 minus 12. So we can change that to plus. So 5 plus 10 over negative 8 minus 12. So 5 plus 10 is 15. Negative 8 minus 12 is negative 20. A positive over a negative is a negative. Oh, and here we go again, the same things. So divide the numerator and denominator by 5. And we get negative 3 over 4. Oops. Something about that looks a little off. Okay. And we get that is equivalent to negative 0.75. Negative 0.75 hundredths. Or negative 75 hundredths. Thank you.